Hello boys and girls, today we'll be correcting grammar page 8, so make sure you have a red pen. And just a reminder that any changes you make need to be done in red pen so I can see where your mistakes were. Alright, we're turning these fragments into complete sentences by adding a predicate or a verb. Here we go. Number 3. Dangerous scorpions have a fierce bite. Make sure you have a capital letter at the beginning, a period at the end, and that you've added a verb. You could do lots of different verbs. As long as your sentence makes sense, you should be okay. Number 4, a quick coyote. A quick coyote ran across the sand dunes. I chose the verb ran in this case because it said in the subject a quick coyote. So I want to do something with how he moved. Make sure you have a capital letter, a period at the end, and your sentence makes sense. Number 5. Hungry lizards. I added 8 insects. Again, your verb is probably going to have something to do with eating since our sentence began with hungry lizards. Okay, make sure you have a capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end, and that your sentence makes sense. The spines of a cactus, I chose a being verb here, are sharp. Period at the end, capital letter at the beginning. Number 7, on their field trip, the students saw snakes. You could add lots of different verbs after students. I chose to add something like they saw. Make sure you have a capital letter at the beginning. You didn't forget your comma here. And you have a period at the end. Number 8. Animals that come out at night are interesting is what I chose. Just make sure you have an appropriate verb that makes sense. You have a capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end. That's all for today. I'm sorry, boys and girls, that's not quite all for today. One last thing I would like you to do with this grammar page is to grab your highlighter. And I want you to go through each sentence that you completed on your own and highlight the verb that you used so I can see it stand out right away. So for example, we did 1 and 2 together, so you should start by highlighting with number 3. You're going to go in and highlight your verb. So I'm going to highlight have. I'm going to highlight ran, 8, are, saw, and are. Make sure that you're highlighting the original verbs that you used, not the ones that you changed to after correcting. Okay, that's all for today.